I am so going to stop eating like this and soon. Y'all go ahead and check out the next video. Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and supporters, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I want to share a small haul with you guys this evening. I'm just looking around to make sure I got everything. It's kind of like a mishmash or a mishmash or hodgepodge of things. And I got a couple of cough drops in my mouth, so just in case something happens or I have to start the cough, and I'm just letting you know, and excuse me if I do any of that, okay? Alright, now I'm going to start with this thing right here. This is a die, the rule die, and the image on here is what it cuts out. This is my coffee cup, a coffee mug template that I used. I found a company that would turn it into a die, and they did. I think I paid about $40 for this steel rule die. I absolutely love it. I did not do it so that you could like buy it or whatever, but I can give you the name of the company or their address, their email address, that if you wanted it, you can order it. But I ain't gonna say you can order it. You can ask about it. But I personally did not have this done for, to sell it. I just had it for myself. So, but that's my first steel rule die that I had made for my personal usage. I purchased this from Etsy, and it says Black Girl Magic. I purchased it from The Right Concept. This WRIGHT Concept. They're in Canada, and it came in this very pretty packaging. My only issue was first and foremost is that I'm assuming that is a female, because I don't remember the name or anything, and if I'm wrong, I apologize. But the only thing I did not like about this is that it had to be shipped to me. I couldn't do like an instant download. And when I got it, on the back, it had, I'm assuming that's food, guys. Let me turn it around this way as well. I'm assuming that's food. I'm just going to take a disinfectant wipe. I got some Clorox disinfectant wipes, and I'm just going to clean it off this time. And like I say, I won't order another one that has to be mailed again. I want instant gratification. Is that a word? Satisfaction. Because I want it right then, right there. But it's not because of this. I just want mine right now, and I don't want to have to wait. That's all. But like I said, I just cleaned it off with the wipe, and it's good. I don't know why this is there, because this is not new. I picked up this chain. This chain I got from Walmart, and I'm going to use this on the wide post-it note holder, the little purse that I did a little while ago. I'm going to have those for my craft fair, so I got this chain for that. I did not pick up any jump rings because I didn't see any, and I also have to pick up some, oh my goodness, that's what I hate about doing stuff like this. I had to pick up the jump rings and the things that you put in the holes and you squish. Oh my God. But I'll put it, if I remember, I'll put it somewhere in here. But I got to get those. I picked up this. Now, I was looking for these at Dollar Tree. I picked these up, they're just, what they call these cable ties. But why on the front of this thing it says warning, cancer and reproductive harm? Can y'all explain that to me? It's a cable tie. So if you handle it, will it do something? Or do they mean that by eating on it, chewing on it or something? Y'all let me know. Because I don't know if I want to deal with this if this says, even though I ain't trying to reproduce, but cancer and reproductive harm, I don't know. I wondered about that one. And I picked up some laminated pouches. And I just took these two out because I wanted to make sure that one was a 5 mil and one was a 3 mil. This is the 5 mil. This was the 3 mil. And I got the 3 mils are, these are from Walmart. And they're the laminated pouches, 50 count. I got this for like $9, $8, $9. And I got these 20, is it 20? Yeah. These 20 pouches of scotch. The 5 mil, this they feel 5 mil for like $12 or $13. Okay, so I think that's the end of this part. I picked up a couple of things from Goodwill, and let me show them to you. First off, I got this bag, and you can't see it. Let me see if I can raise this. Push this back and raise it up a little bit. It's a nice size bag. Actually, it's just a nice bag in general. That's it on the inside. Like I said, it's come from the Goodwill. It's not perfect, but I actually purchased it so that I could have something to put my big happy planner in. And this was right on time. It's black and gold. My planner basically is black and gold. I love it. And I picked up a couple of mugs. I picked up these two, and these two actually look like they have never been used. And these are from Caribou Coffee. And I do like Caribou Coffee. I got several of their ceramic tumblers, and I never had these types of mugs. So I got 2 of those. Well, those were the only 2. And I picked up this Starbucks mug, and this is one of the newer ones. And when I say newer, I mean new as in like the Starbucks emblem. The older Starbucks emblem is bordered with black. This one isn't. So this one is newer than the ones that have the black border inside of the emblem. And it just has this little chip right here, which has nothing to do with the inside or actually any other things on the outside. It's not cracking or anything from right there. So I'm just gonna put this in my cabinet with the rest of my mugs and tumblers. And the last tumbler I picked up was this one. Well, not tumbler, this is a mug. And I absolutely love this one. And I really picked it up to go on eBay, because at one point in time I was trying to figure out, what good things that you can sell on eBay, and somebody in one of their videos said like these types of mugs. And this one says, "How sweet are your words to my taste, sweeter than honey." Psalms 119, 103. And I thought that was absolutely gorgeous. And it has a recipe on the back for s'more mug cake. You see that? Isn't it the bomb? You just put all your ingredients in here, stir it all up, put it in the microwave for probably, 2 minutes? And you have your s'mores cake. I thought that was the business. Okay, so that was the haul. Now what I want to ask you guys about is a giveaway. I'm going to be hosting a giveaway soon, and it'll be for my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Now, am I close to 5,000? Not really. I have a little over 3,000 subscribers. But I do want to know, when I do this giveaway, do you guys want to do some type of challenge or something? Because that's what I've been seeing a lot of. For me, when I say giveaway, I don't want you, but personally, I don't like when people say, well, in order to enter my giveaway, you have to do this, or then you have to like and subscribe to my Twitter and my, what else, those other accounts, Twitter, Instagram, whatever those other accounts are, and then you go and subscribe to somebody else's account and give it a like and a comment and a share. To me, if I'm gonna give away something, because I appreciate your support, I'm just want to give it away. But let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think that, you know, by hosting something like, because y'all know I love these memory decks cards, having you guys send me a memory decks card, and then that'll enter you into the giveaway. That's all. To me, that's like paying. Maybe I'm just crazy, but I picked up one thing. Let me shove this down. I picked up a couple of things so far, but I want to show you guys this first thing that I picked up. And here's the box that it's in right here. And it's this. So this is one set of giveaway items. This is an undated 12-month planner, and this is the Happy Planner Big. Like I said, it's undated. Can I get it? Can I open it up? Let me see. And see this, I have this one. You know what? Let me find mine. Here it is. Let me put this one out the way right quick. I'm gonna show you mine because I have the exact same thing. That's why I picked it up, because I love it so much. Yeah, this is mine. And see, I've already broken one of my discs, so I have to go ahead on it and replace those with the metal ones as soon as I get a chance. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's undated. It does have the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. No, it has the days of the week, but no dates on it. So that's why I picked it up, because I just, you know, if it's undated, you can start it whenever you feel like it. And plus, I purchased 2 of these things, this bag, because I actually thought that this planner would fit in this bag, but the planner is too big for this bag. But I will still keep my Happy Planner stickers in here. So I was thinking along that lines, you guys can do something like that, you know. And this is just one of the set of items that I've purchased. I got another set that I purchased already, but you know, I'm not going to show that right now. I will do it later. Okay, I'm sorry for the interruption, but I'm gonna put this back in the box, and you guys let me know, what do you think about, you know, the giveaway? Should I have you guys like make memory decks card, or even an ATC, because I like ATCs too, or just do the giveaway because I appreciate you all so much? And it'll be when I reach 5,000 subscribers. Okay, so let me know. Alright guys, that's it. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. If you haven't, I greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime, and I see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.